Hello everyone. Hope you are doing great. So today our topic is how to create a grid view in a collection view in Swift UI kit and in Swift UI we have a grid view. So today we can learn how to create a grid view in Swift UI. So I have created a project already. So let's start with that. So in our grid view, we need to have a list of any items or fruits or something like that. So I'm just writing down a text to show. We just need to show 10 items or 5 items for that. So here you can see it's showing item 1. We need to put that item in a grid view. So for that we have to use lazy horizontal grid. Let's see if that can show our items. So you can see it's saying rows are missing. So I think so we need to use the V grid for that. So it's showing a column for that. So we need, here you can see columns is missing. We need to show how many columns in each row you want to present for that. So for that we have to create a variable name state where columns grid item equals grid item dot flexible. Okay, so we just have to use that. So now you can see it's showing you have to put a function for that. So in each row we need to print 3 columns. Okay, so we need to pass the column for that, and here you can see the issue is resolved now. So for now we are only showing one item for that. Let's say if we want to show 3 or 4 items, let's see. So here you can see it's showing 4 items in a grid view. So it's not looking good for that. So I think so we need to just change some properties of that text and just show some images and some data for that. So for that we have to add an array with the image and uh, with their property name. So let me add some properties which have a name and the image. So for that we have to create an array for that, or a structure where we can put all that data like 10 and 15 items and show it to the grid view. So for that we have to use a dynamic data or array for that. So I am using this mock data to show that all thing uh, which include, let me explain. I have created a structure with framework name which is hashable, identifiable, and have a parameter of UDID ID, name, image name, URL string, description, and we have our data here as well. So for that, how can we use that? First of all, we need to remove this, and we need to use a for each loop, and we need to use mock data dot framework, and here we need to pass framework, and in text we will just put framework dot name. So here you can see it's showing the name of all data which is in our structure. So that's all for today. So if you want to show that in a proper format, like with image and like any other thing with spacing as well, so you can do that thing as well. And thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in comment section. And thanks for watching. Happy coding. See you in the next video.